So what happens if you want to change listing information after it's been uploaded to the internet, right? There is a form called listing amendment. Listing amendment. You can change the expiry date, price, or anything else related to the agreement. So we go back to web form. On the file, we click on new. Click on new file. And then over here, search, we type in amendment. Okay. So once you type in amendment, right, you will see many selections. So amendment to multiple listing contract, British Columbia version. We click on that, click on OK. On the right top, once the listing is uploaded, they will have a listing number. So you have to fill in that listing number. You can find it on Paragon once it's uploaded. Okay. And then on section 1, if you want to change the listing expire date to a different date, for example, it expires right now on July 31st. If we want to extend to, for example, end of December, right? You put December 31st. And then if you want to change the price, you can fill in here. Used to be 5 million. You can choose to lower the price or increase the price. We can change it to 4.5 million, right? If you don't want to change it, just leave it empty. Or change terms to something, right? Or hold action until. Hold action means you don't want other people to see the listing for a maximum of 7 days. For example, the seller is going on a vacation, you cannot show the home, you can put it on auction for 7 days, but maximum is 7 days. And you can put a reason here. Other changes. So for example, if you want to change commission agreed on your multiple listing agreement, you can just put on section 3. Let's say commission changed to, let's say before was 7% and 2.5% for the balance, right? Now you can say anything. You can say commission changed to, let's say 3% of the sale price, or make it clear, the total commission changed to 3% of the sale price. Okay. On the bottom, we put a date you want to change. Same thing, seller's signature, agent signature on the bottom.